Welcome to Easy English Steps. This is the place where you will learn English in the easiest and most fun way, through storytelling. Yes, we believe that stories help you remember words better, understand sentence structure naturally, and make learning exciting. So, let's begin today's story. It's a short and sweet tale about a little boy and his favorite toy. Ready? Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. He was about 5 years old and loved his red toy car more than anything. Every day, Sam would go outside and play with the car, making racing sounds like vroom, vroom. He would push it on the ground, race it around, and laugh with joy. But one day, while playing too roughly, Sam pushed the toy car too hard. Suddenly, there was a loud crack, and one of the wheels broke. Sam looked at the toy with wide eyes. He felt very sad. His favorite car was broken, and he didn't know what to do. He quickly ran to his mother and said, "Mom, my car is broken. Can you fix it?" His mother looked at the toy and smiled gently. "Let's try to fix it together," she said. Sam looked surprised. "Together?" he asked. "Yes," she nodded. "You will help me." They both sat at the kitchen table. His mom brought some glue, a small screwdriver, and some tape. She showed Sam how to hold the wheel, how to use the glue carefully, and how to tighten the small screw. Sam followed her instructions. He was learning something new, and it was fun. After about 15 minutes, the car was ready again. Sam placed it on the floor and pushed it. To his surprise, it worked perfectly. "Vroom!" he shouted with a big smile. "It's working again." His mother looked at him and said, "See, when something breaks, don't be sad. Try to fix it first." Sam nodded and hugged his mother. That day, he learned a big lesson. If you try, you can fix your problems. Never give up. Moral: don't give up when something goes wrong. Take a deep breath and try to fix it. With a little help, love, and patience, you can make things better. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Easy English Steps for more simple and beautiful English stories. Practice with us daily, and soon you'll be speaking English confidently. Thanks for watching. And remember, stories make learning fun.